Hi, this is Srinivas G. Naik, lecturer, Electronics and Communication from Jain Polytechnic, Belagavi. Today, I want to explain some basic concepts of digital electronics lab, like logical gates. Today, these points will cover. First one is a definition of logic gate, and second one is all gates like NOT, AND, OR, NAND, NOR, XOR and XNOR gates. And also I will show some simulation using circuit simulator software. So we'll begin with a definition of logic gates. Logic gates perform basic logical functions and are the fundamental building blocks of digital integrated circuits. Most logic gates take an input of two binary values and output a single value of a 1 or 0. So first I want to explain the types of logic gates. So one is a basic gates, second one is a universal gates, and third one is called as a derived gates. In a basic gates there are three gates will be coming, namely AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. And in a universal gate two gates will be coming, namely NAND gate and NOR gate. In a derived gate three types, two gates will be coming, one is a XOR gate and another one is XNOR gate. We'll go one by one. First one is a NOT gate, a basic gate. The NOT gate is an electronic circuit that produces an inverted version of the input at its output. It is also known as an inverter if the input variable is A. The inverted output is known as NOT A. We can say A bar. Here this one is a symbol of a NOT gate, which will be look like a triangle with a small circle. The small circle which will be indicates invert. And the truth table of a NOT gate is if we apply a 0 to the input, output will be coming inverted output like 1. If it is A is 1, then output will be a 0. Then a AND gate. AND gate is another one basic gate. The AND gate is an electronic circuit that gives a high output, means 1, only if all its inputs are high. A dot is used to show the AND operation, that is A dot B. Here the symbol of a AND gate, two inputs and one output. A and B are inputs and AB is a output. That we can see that a truth table, if the two inputs are there, the combination will be a 4. The combinations like 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. Now we'll see the truth table. If 0 0, then output will be a 0. If 0 1 is 0, 1 and 0 is 0 and 1 1 is 1, means AND gate will work as a multiplier. how it will be? If there is a 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1. When the AND gate, if the both inputs are high, then only output will be high. Then third one is a OR gate. The OR gate is an electronic circuit that gives a high output 1 if one or more of its inputs are high. A plus sign is used to show the OR operation, like A plus B. If there is a inputs A and B are inputs and A plus B is a output. This is a symbol of OR gate. And the truth table, which will be a 2 inputs and A plus B. It is like a addition of two numbers. Here we are doing a addition of a binary numbers. There is a 0 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 1 is 1, 1 0 is 1, and 1 1 is a 1. Means if any one of the input is high, then output will be a high. Sorry. Next one is a NAND gate. The NAND gate, which is a NOT AND, the combination of NOT and AND gate, which is equal to the AND gate followed by NOT gate. The output of all NAND gates are high if any of the input are low. The symbol is an AND gate with a small circle on the output. The small circle represents inversion. I told you in a NOT gate, the small circle which will be indicates a inversion. A and B are inputs, and the expression for a NAND gate is A dot B whole bar. It is like a AND gate, but the inversion of AND gate. We can see this truth table. If 0 0 is 1, 0 1 is 1, 1 0 is 1, and 1 1 is 0. If any one of the input is 0, then output will be a high. Then we'll go for a NOR gate. This is a NOT OR gate, which is equal to an OR gate followed by NOT gate. The outputs of all NOR gates are low if any of the input are high. Means if the any one of the input is high, then output will be a 0. If both inputs are zeros, then output will be a 1. Here it is like a OR gate, but the NOT gate will be, or inversion will be added. Like A and B are inputs, the output expression A plus B whole bar. So this one will be the NOR gate, which will be the OR gate and the combination of NOT gate. XOR gate, this is one type of a derived gate. The derived gate means which will be using basic gates AND, OR and NOT. Using these three gates, we can create a exclusive OR gate. The exclusive OR gate is a circuit which will give a high output if either but not both. If its two inputs are high, and encircled plus sign, this one, the plus with a circle, is used to show the XOR operation. This is a symbol of XOR gate A, B, and A XOR B, which will be the truth table, we can see that the if both inputs are same, then output will be a 0. If the inputs are alternate, then output will be high. And this one we can say staircase light. The example of XOR gate is a staircase light. And now another one is a last gate, which is called as a XNOR gate. The XNOR gate is a inversion of a XOR gate, and it will give a low output if either but not both of its two inputs are high. See, if both inputs are same, if 0 0 then high, 1 1 then high, but if there is alternate, then